how to transfer USDT from Binance Exchange to Mexc Global Exchange. In this video, I will guide you through all the steps, just make sure to watch till the end. Because we want to transfer USDT in Mexc account, so first we will copy the deposit address from Mexc Exchange. So we'll open up our Mexc app. As of now, you can see there are 0.95 USD in my Mexc account. Go to the spot wallet. Tap on deposit. Here we will choose this first option, on-chain deposit. Search that coin you want to deposit like M searching for USDT. Tap on it. There are multiple networks to choose from, but we will choose the first option listed as BNB Smart Chain. Tap on it. Copy deposit address for here. Minimize your app and go to your Binance account. Go to Assets. I have 17 USDT in Binance account that we will transfer in our Mexc account. So press on Send. Here we will choose the second option, on-chain withdraw. USDT. In this first box, paste that deposit address that we were copied from our Mexc account. After pasting, it's better to re-verify that the address is correct. Below, select the network, the same BNB Smart Chain. Then select the amount you want to transfer to your account, like I'm transferring 10 USD. And finally, press on Withdraw. Again, confirm the details and press Confirm. Now it's asking to verify our email and authentication app. Simply open up your Authenticator app. Copy 6-digit authentication code and paste here. Then open up your Gmail account and paste that code here. Press Submit, and in a few seconds your USD will be transferred to your Mexc account. And that's it, guys. Found helpful? Make sure to leave a like and do subscribe to the channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching.